Hey guys, it's Carrie and welcome back to my channel. We're at it again. This is my daughter Clarissa. She's here for another video. We are here sharing more content with all of you. And we're probably going to do one more video together, so I really hope that you enjoy this. I am collabing with my daughter. Okay, well anyways, today's video is Ipsy. And Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription, and you get 5 samples in there, and sometimes you actually get full-size products. So let's open her up. What do you think of the bag, Clarissa? Awesome.
Very.
It's like a. I don't even know this texture. Tell me what texture that is. It's like a pleather.
Yeah, like a pleather.
And it's got lemons all over it. It's got an Ipsy tag on it that says Ipsy right here on this. What do you call it? I can't remember anything today. On the ribbon, and then you open it up like this, and let me show you what's inside. I'm going to have you again read the back of it.
Okay.
Let's read the front. What does it say? Now in season, fresh spring beauty.
Number 1. Oh, you're going to have to help me with pronouncing that.
Purlisse.
Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm.
That's this right here. I hope you guys can see that as I turn it. And what does it say this is?
Well, it's an energizing aqua balm, and they have a tip. It says, after cleansing, apply pea-sized dots onto your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks, and use your fingers to smooth it evenly all over your face.
Oh. Let me see. I can't really smell it in the tube.
That is such a cute package with the watermelons on it.
Oh my goodness, smell that. I just got it on your nose.
It says put a dot on your nose.
And that's basically what it is right there. And it feels very, very nice.
Yeah,
it feels,
it's a crazy consistency.
It's like almost I want to say like a Vaseline kind of.
Well, it's like just less thicker than that.
Yeah, it's like
water.
It's water-based. It's really nice. And my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. This might be something that I get a full size of. And I just turn it around so you can see it. But this might be something that I get a full size of. It's incredible.
It says this lightweight balm is packed with vitamins A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten, and regenerate your skin cells, and aloe vera and cucumber to calm and reduce redness.
Okay. So that's the first thing.
So the second one is the Balm Cosmetics, the Balm Drawer Creamy Lip Stain in Salute. Oh, that's a cute packaging too.
Let me go ahead and open it. And it's very thin. I think the more you rub it in, I can't even get to it. There we go. The more you rub it in, the more it's going to turn into less of a balm and more like a stain. So it's very light, very nice. You know, if I didn't have dark lipstick on right now, I would definitely show you guys what it looked like. Sorry, these other things are from an earlier video. But, so yeah, let me smell. No scent to it.
It says, this nude beige stain / gloss hybrid coats lips in rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours. A tip. For a light stain, apply 1 coat using your finger. Want more color? Don't be afraid to layer it on. Layer it on.
Layered it?
Layered.
Okay, so that's that. So once again, this is what it looks like.
Cute, like travel size.
I think it's adorable. And like even these bags you can put into your purse and, you know, make it your makeup bag. So, you know what I was thinking about doing was getting these and going to your local women's shelters and putting tampons and, you know, tampons and soap in here, shampoo and conditioner. No one ever has conditioner. So, something like that, I think that would be very nice. And I think that we should do that. Maybe in our community, we can spread some kind of joy doing this, and maybe we can get other people involved as well. We live in Arizona, and we live in Tucson. So if anyone lives in Tucson, Arizona, and you want to join in, comment below and just let us know how you feel about this. So what's the next product?
The third one is $1 Billion Brushes Fan Brush.
That's this right here.
Awesome. That looks so soft.
It is. It's very smooth.
For your highlight.
Obviously the highlight. Down the tip of your nose. Right here. Right here. And I'm done. Oh, I forgot the other cheek.
Let me see.
But let me show
So
it is. It's really soft. It's synthetic, but it's really soft. And right here is the $1 billion brow sign. So there we go. What does it say about the brush?
This baby's densely packed charcoal-infused bristles have antimicrobial powers to keep bacteria away while blending powder products effortlessly. A tip. Dip this brush into your favorite highlighter, tap off excess powder, and apply it in a sweeping motion above the high points of your cheeks.
And that's basically what I did, for better or worse. Okay, are we ready for the next one?
Yes.
Is that this right here?
Yes. Laura Sanchez Mood Eyeshadow in Chocolate Shake. That's a really pretty dark color.
I love this box. You guys, get a load of this box.
That is so cute.
It's so adorable, and she's so pretty. I love the sunglasses on there. Okay, so this is one that you slide and open. Oh, this is pretty too. I love, man, this artwork is incredible.
Mm-hmm.
I really like it.
What does it say?
It says moods.
Moods.
Yeah.
Cute.
So this is the color.
Ooh,
Real deep brown. Real deep brown. You know what? I've always wanted a deep brown to go with the glittery brown Stila one that I have.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
And I'm going to put that right here.
Not patchy. It looks beautiful.
It's not patchy at all. I can't even get to it, but it's not patchy at all. And that's just one swipe. Let me do another swipe.
It looks so creamy.
It's very creamy. So that's how that looks. It's not patchy at all. This up here at the end is where it was at the end of my arm. So if I just go like this, it's going to actually make it a little bit darker. And this is, it's on my finger, so it's a really pretty color.
Very beautiful.
I really, really like this packaging.
Mm-hmm. It says this highly pigmented matte finish reddish brown eyeshadow is ultra creamy and blends easily to set your creative urges free. Tip. To go smoky, apply a natural shade all over your lids. Blend Chocolate Shake into your eye crease. Smudge some more along your lash lines with a damp angled eyeliner brush.
Chocolate Shake or Chocolate Shade?
Shake.
Oh,
Shake.
Okay. Cool. Okay. And what's the last part?
And the last one is Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer.
And I just got eyeshadow all over the container.
Very pretty. I love the lid.
Lid?
Yeah.
That's it. Well, that's what their shape tape is. It's a different color lid, and it's designed just like that. I love the blue color. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put it on my other hand. Is this an all-over primer, or why don't you read about it?
This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus, it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And like all of Tarte's fabulous, this is fab formulas.
Fabulous.
This one's vegan and cruelty free.
There's something you have to understand about me. When my kids all through growing up, I've always had them reread things and repronounce things, because growing up I excelled in reading. And so whenever my kids like wrote stories or wrote letters to me or anything like that, what did I do?
Kept making us reread it.
Rewrite them. So it's a bad habit, but you know what? Dang it, I can read.
Hey, it's helpful.
Half of America can't even do that. So, so I'm going to put it on my left hand this time. And this is a consistency right here.
Ooh, thick.
It is thick. No, it's actually not very thick.
Oh.
I thought it was going to be thick.
Yeah, it came out looking thick.
But then it blends down, and, you know, it really blurred out. It really blurred out my, what do you call it? What do you call those?
Skin?
Well, skin, yeah. What do you call those?
Freckles?
Never mind, it blurred out. It just blurred something out.
Freckles. Tip, after cleansing, smooth all over your face before applying foundation.
Smooth.
I'm getting a little ahead of myself. That's why I'm mispronouncing things.
She's doing wonderful, guys. Okay, well, that's the end of our video. If you'd like to see, or if you'd like to let me know what you got in your bags, and if you have a similar, maybe a twin bag to mine, let me know in the comments down below. It's probably about, what time is it? 5:56 out in Arizona right now, and it's about 75 degrees. Beautiful, beautiful weather, and we're gonna go ahead and let you go and go sit outside and enjoy this weather. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumb, 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 thumb. Bye, guys. Thank you. I love you.